I think in financial services, a lot of it is one, what's your cost of capital? What yield can you create? How secure is this? It's a business that historically where scale has really mattered. And I think that we've just entered a period over the past 10 years, and I think that we're very much in it, where new competition can start to come in. I think there's a few reasons for it. One, I think some of the, at least in the card world and also in neobank world, regulation coming out of the financial crisis, people, regulators not want banks to be too big to fail, to prop up smaller banks, effectively incentivize small banks who had a bank charter to work with different and modern providers. So you didn't have to be a bank to start creating bank-like services. The cost of interest dropped dramatically, which basically means that the long-standing advantage of banks, which is extreme low cost of capital, wasn't just with banks. You could go out and you could borrow if you could access this low yield environment, coupled with technological innovations, whether it's Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, whether it's infrastructure players like Marqeta and Stripe or Plaid or the like. Suddenly you could start to go and access into the core building blocks of storage of money, assessment of risk, creation of payment vehicles, low enough cost of capital that actually, even if you were just starting out, you had a focus, you could start to go.